The probabilities that A, B and D can solve a problem independently are 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So A can solve the problem is 1 by 3. B can solve the problem, it's 1 by 3. D can solve the problem 1 by 4. So these are the probabilities. The probability that only 2 of them are able to solve the problem is what? So out of the 3, exactly 2 of them can solve. What is the probability? That's all. So this is a question from probability based on the independent probability idea. That means like one of them solving or not solving is not going to be affected by the other person. Other person solving or not solving. All these are independent events. Fine. Okay, then 2 of them are going to solve, the other one is not going to solve. That's the meaning. That means it could be A solving, B solving, D not solving. Or out of A, B, D, it could be A and D solving, B not solving. Or it could be A, B, D, B and D are solving, A not solving. So we have 3 cases here. Out of the 3, in each case we are making one of them not solving, the other 2 are solving. That's it. So it can happen in 3 different ways. We'll attack them one by one. A solving 1 by 3, B solving 1 by 3, D not solving. D solving is 1 by 4. D not solving is going to be 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Or plus A solving 1 by 3, D solving 1 by 4, but B not solving 2 by 3. A not solving 2 by 3, B solving is 1 by 3, D solving is 1 by 4. Simplify, we get the answer. So 3, 3, 4, this is going to be 36. So I am not cancelling anything. Common denominator is 36. So 1, 1, 3 is 3. 1, 2, 1 is 2. 2, 1, 1 is 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 2, it's going to be 7 by 36. Option B is the right answer. 7 by 36 is the right answer. Perfectly right, option B. 7 by 36 is the right answer.